issued a severe thunderstorm
SVR.
warning for central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. 8:04 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Feasterville, 13 miles west of Trenton, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Hazard,
60 miles per hour with penny-size hail.
Source,
radar indicated.
Impact, damage to roof,
Siding, trees,
and power lines
if possible.
Locations
impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Salem, Burlington, Bristol, Yardley, Newtown, Tullatown, Abilene, Feasterville, Woodside, Rickmore, Langmore, Levittown, and Florence Roebling. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather.
Okay, they did.
They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
Oh, they did. Wait, I have to see. Okay, WWJZ went for this. Okay, and everyone went for that.
The following is a monthly test of the emergency alert system.
The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of New Jersey beginning at 10:50 a.m. and ending at 12:50 p.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of New Jersey beginning at 10:50 a.m. and ending at 12:50 p.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
WXL39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any any given location.
Weather day.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill, and in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Seafolk, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 234, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 234 has been issued from 12:40 p.m. until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania.
For the following counties: Seafolk, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 235, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, and Philadelphia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 235 has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, and Philadelphia.
Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware.
They call it SVR.
Northeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Altamont to Donaldson to Williamstown to Leggins, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Temecula, Schuylkill Haven, Shenandoah, Minnersville, Malinois City, Frankville, St. Clair, Ashland, Orwigsburg, Valley View, and Pine Grove. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile markers 88 to 132. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill.
Yay, what are we doing now? Thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, western Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m.
At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Orange or near Schuylkill Haven, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Cutdown, Hamburg,
Oh! I don't know why the signal is so crap.
New Tripoli, Jordan Valley, Schnecksville, Cloudville, Ancient Ocean, and Albert. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Oh, they weren't. Okay, let's see.
Hamburg, Wilderness, Compton.
Or not, okay.
Special Marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland.
Why am I moving on
Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 6 p.m. At 3:58 p.m., gust fronts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 23
This is gonna be so fun to edit together. I'm joking, this is gonna take me like 5 minutes maybe. If I don't keep waiting, then it's gonna be like an hour and a half.
Or greater. Source.
Love pure footage because I don't think I've edited my last SVR I got.
Could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds.
Well, not the last one, that just happened the one before that.
Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Maglacy River, Hart Miller Island, Rock Hall, Dobbins Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Towchester Beach, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
More.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Robisonia, or 9 miles east of Myerstown, moving east at 25
was located over Robisonia, or 9 miles east of Myerstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Sighting. Source, radar indicated. Possible. Impact, damage to roof. Sighting.
There we go.
Power lines if possible. Locations in
Thanks, WYP. And you're doing the dual tone. For like half of them.
Robisonia, Leesport, Burnville, Bechtelsville, Spring Ridge, Fairview Heights, Shillington, West Reading, Boyertown, Mount Lewis,
Oh, they are.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania.
Let's see, I don't think, yeah. Okay, we're done.
Yay! More warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bergen County in eastern Pennsylvania,
northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over
47 miles southeast of Reading, 25 miles per hour.
Oh, okay, so WKVP is going.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Phoenixville, Birdcurl, Collegeville, Royersford, Trapp, Bechtelsville, Green Lane, Spring Mill,
Okay, they are. You can barely tell because they're really bad. Reception for some reason.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:10 p.m. for the following counties.
Okay, so WWJC has not.
Royersford,
Oh, okay, they did.
Twinkville, Elverson,
Another alert. Special Marine warning. Give me LWX.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has
Told-
issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach Narrow,
One sec, I'm doing
Eastern Bay
something.
until 6:30 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., gust fronts were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park to 14 nautical miles northeast of Tidal Basin 2 near Key Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Miles River, Naval Academy, Shadyside, Herring Bay, Sandy Point State Park, Highland Beach, Severn River, Romancoke, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Mayo, Annapolis, and Deal. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Seek safe shelter. Mariners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves.
More.
Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe
thunderstorm warning for western Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m.
At
4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Coffeetown, or 7 miles west of Allentown, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Hazard,
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, sidings, trees, and power lines is possible.
Oh, okay, so they're doing it.
Allentown,
Southern Northampton County.
Bethlehem, Emma, Northampton, Quakertown, Wilson,
Makes sense.
Webster, Hellertown, Nazareth, Cudgeville, Ladington, Symington, Bath, Harmony, Alpha.
Okay, that's good, they are.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania.
They did.
Until 5:30 p.m.
5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania,
In Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton.
More.
SVR.
in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lauderdale, or near Reading, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs.
siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include
Okay.
Reading, Pottstown, Lansdale, Wyomissing, Quakertown, Percy,
The
Southerton,
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in
and Lyons. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
Okay, they went for
Thunderstorm warning has been
it.
issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Lehigh, and Montgomery.
Quakertown, Percy, Southerton, Birdsboro,
Okay, they're
Fleetwood,
Winston.
Chow.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cochranville, or 13 miles northwest of Newark, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark,
Nice.
Westchester, Westtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Oxford, Parkersburg, West Grove,
Oh.
Newport,
Weather
Glenroy,
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southern Chester
For your
County in
protection, move
southeastern
to an
Pennsylvania.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
Yep.
5 lines to the
I'm
following
gonna just check
counties in
WWGC. I don't think they are,
Pennsylvania,
though.
Chester, and Delaware.
Oh, they are.
Newcastle, Delaware.
Thanks, WWJZ. I'm just gonna wait for it to get to the audio section and I'm gonna end recording. No, because...
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south.
More!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 7 p.m.
That's not used to me. I'm just gonna
5
place the phone.
Several thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 30 nautical miles north of Pea Patch Island to 7 nautical miles north of Haverty Grace to near Middle River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly
Almost
higher
all
winds
of the
and
stuff
suddenly
I'm
higher
recording
waves.
is not recorded in the
Locations
correct
impacted
orientation.
include
And
Woodland
I'm gonna
Beach,
have to
Sea
edit
Breeze,
all of them
Stony
to the
Point,
correct way
Shipstone Shoal Light, Pea
while
Patch
I'm editing
Island, and
this.
Reedy Point. Move
Tomorrow,
to Safe
most
Harbor
likely.
immediately as gusty
So,
winds and high
Thursday
waves
for
are
me.
expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly storm warning for
Northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania,
Oh, wait, that
Delaware
was,
County in southeastern Pennsylvania,
in southeastern
That's killer. It's
Pennsylvania.
over. I think it's
PM.
WR.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Westchester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour.
Just get, indicated.
Source,
Let's get down
radar
to that. I
indicated
think
damage
that's
to
not
roof.
okay.
Impact, damage to roof. Sighting, trees, and power lines if possible.
I don't think I can get
Locations
there.
impacted
AM
include
broadcast.
Philadelphia, Camden, Westchester, Gloucester City, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Belmore,
issued a severe thunderstorm warning
okay,
for
that's,
northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey.
Jenkintown, Magnolia, and Westville.
They went, okay,
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties. In Pennsylvania, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following counties in New Jersey.
Nope. Got 'em.
Jenkintown,
Our
Magnolia,
translator.
and Westville. For your protection, move
Got
to an
'em.
interior room on the lowest.
More alerts.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has
severe
issued a
thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hudson County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania,
Oh, WNGC
northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern
I'm not
Pennsylvania.
gonna try to get there. There's 790 watts. You don't really reach here.
Thunderstorm was located over
If you're wondering how I know that,
north of Philadelphia, moving east at 30 miles
whether or
per
not
hour.
North has a
Hazard,
humongous
50 miles per
file
hour
that
wind
has
gusts.
all the information it shows me.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Ewing, Norristown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Princeton, Florence, Bristol, Percy, Royalstown, Durham, Hatboro, Sodom, Denver, Collegeville, Royersford, and Chalfont.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Southwestern Somerset County, in northern New Jersey,
Mnet?
in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County, in southeastern Pennsylvania.
Okay, cool to know that they did that.
Pennsylvania, Chester, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
Okay, they're coming for that. Okay, let's see if any of our AM are... Okay, they did. I don't know if WWJC's going. They didn't, okay.
We haven't experienced this much alerts in so
Mount Holly,
long.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 6 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Boldy's Quarters, or 8 miles east of Middle River, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor
They don't
damage
care
to
about
vehicles
that.
is possible.
Yeah, they can't even reach here, so I get
Sighting,
it.
trees, and
Makes
power
sense.
lines is possible. Locations impacted include Middletown,
Maybe
Chestertown,
I don't think they will. I think they really
Millington,
only do
Sassafras, Langford,
Philadelphia
Newtown,
County
Morgnick,
stuff.
Delaney Corner, Massey, Crumpton, Kennedyville, Townsend,
Yeah, but I'd
Galena,
be right.
and Kingstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to
I guess
large
they
hail
don't do
and
that.
damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors
This is
immediately.
only
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Hazard,
Repeating,
60
a
miles
severe
per hour
thunderstorm
with
warning
gusts
has
and
been issued
quarter-size
until
hail.
6 p.m. for the following
Source,
counties.
radar
in Delaware,
indicated.
Kent.
More!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has
New
issued a
Jersey
severe
has issued a
thunderstorm
severe
warning
thunderstorm warning for
Hunterdon
Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m.
At 5:23
At
p.m.,
5:23
a
p.m.,
thunderstorm was located over Milford, or 11 miles southeast of Easton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind
Okay.
gusts. Source, radar
They're going.
indicated. Radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Easton, Somerville, Somerset, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, North Brunswick, Fort, Middlesex, Brown Brook, Manville, Durham, Wilson, Washington, Lincoln, Flemington, Killington, High Bridge, Clinton, and Harmony.
Oops, not.
For your protection,
So
move
they
to
are
an
going
interior room
to,
on the
so,
lowest floor of the building.
Let's see if they're going
Repeating,
for this.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3
They did okay.
in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, and Northampton.
How?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware,
How do you not detect that?
County in southern New Jersey, northwestern County in southern New Jersey,
Southwestern Philadelphia County in southeast Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15
That's
p.m.
weird.
At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashland.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Ashland.
Hey, what the... I don't know what the heck happened there.
30 miles per hour wind gusts. Hazard, 60 miles
Oh.
per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
They went.
indicated. Impact and damage to roofs, siding, trees, and
Yeah.
possible. Locations
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Canton County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware
A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester, Delaware, and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, and Salem.
southeastern Pennsylvania.
They went. Okay, they went too. So let's check AM now. They didn't. Okay, they did too. Okay, bye. Flash flood warning.
County in southern New Jersey,
It said
southeastern Pennsylvania,
where I am, so I might very soon get a
southeastern Montgomery County,
WEA activation,
southeast Philadelphia County,
which will be
southeastern
fun.
Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., thunderstorms are radar thunderstorms
It's the
across the Warren area.
or not.
Inches of rain.
Wrong.
5 inches of rain.
Expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches
Expected
in 1
rainfall rate is
hour.
1 to 2 inches in
like
1
it's
hour.
Rainfall amounts of 0.5
Additional
to
rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the
Flash
Warren
flooding is
area.
ongoing or expected to begin
That's
shortly.
Ongoing or
wrong.
expected to begin
Yay.
shortly.
Flooding caused by
Flash
thunderstorms.
flooding caused by
Source,
thunderstorms.
radar.
Source,
Impact,
radar.
flooding of small creeks and
Impact,
streams,
flooding of
urban
small
areas,
creeks and streams,
highways,
urban areas,
and
highways,
underpasses, as well as
streets,
other
and
drainage
underpasses,
and
as well as
low-lying
other
areas.
drainage and low-lying
Some
areas.
locations that may experience
Some
flash flooding
locations that may
include
experience flash
Philadelphia,
flooding
Camden,
include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Bensalem, Chester, Belmore,
Yeah,
Burlington, Bristol, Riverside, Conshohocken, and
I definitely should be getting
Turn
something.
around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Okay, they went.
That's the current vehicles.
They went. They went. They went. Oh! Good morning. I guess that's what I got first.
All right,
like-
in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Berlin County in central New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern
Let's see how much
Bucks
time's
County in
going for this.
southeastern Pennsylvania,
I wanna see.
northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30
No,
p.m.
they're not.
At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bensalem, or 11 miles northeast
They're
of
not.
Philadelphia.
They might. No one might go because they're just
Per
one.
hour. Wind gust hazard 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source,
Yeah, I don't see
radar
like anyone's
indicated.
going. That's fine from with me.
Impacts, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Bensalem, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Elmira,
There's definitely, I've definitely gone in
Bordentown,
WA with
Rockledge,
the-
Towertown,
with,
Allentown,
Flash Flood.
Abington, Langmore,
That's
and
weird.
interior room on the for your protection,
Yeah,
move
definitely
to
was
an
a Flash
interior
Flood.
room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Monmouth, and Ocean, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
Okay.
In northern New
It took me
Jersey,
forever to get this recording started.
in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern
Oh.
Philadelphia County
Okay,
in
they are
southeastern
doing it.
Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Washington Crossing, 47 miles
Okay, they
northwest of Cleveland,
went.
moving east at 30 miles per hour.
SWKVP.
Hazard 60 miles
And-
per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, power lines, and power lines
They went.
possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Old Bridge, Bensalem, Brunswick,
They
South
did.
Brunswick, Manalapan,
But-
Ewing, Princeton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Hatboro, Jamesburg,
Trenton, what we
Clayton,
can do.
Bordentown,
Look,
Cranberry,
at Philadelphia, we
Middleton,
can
and New
scroll
Hope.
this down,
Yardley.
and
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
they went.
Thunderstorm warning has been
That's
issued
nice.
until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
East central Montgomery County. In southeastern Pennsylvania.
Yay, more stuff.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern
Yay, there you go. There you go.
Until 6:45 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central
They're going.
Delaware County in
That's
southeastern Pennsylvania, until
WURD's
6:45
translator. I'm just gonna use that call sign because
thunderstorm was
I'm not dealing with the, like it's W241CH or something like that for the call sign because it's a translator. So it's annoying. I'm just going to use WURD because that basically is what it is.
Power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Kansas, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Thornhill, Medford, Lindenwood.
Okay, they are. It's very hard to hear.
Burlington, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra.
I hear it, actually. I can tell. They're very quiet. I have to fix whatever that is that's causing that. I'm guessing atmospheric conditions are being weird. Okay, they went.
6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia,
okay.
and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester.
They went. More alert!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hudson County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 7 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
No idea if any of these go off for this, but we'll see.
Oh!
70 miles per hour.
They are.
Source.
Yippee! Also, I kind of fixed it. I had to do that and it fixed itself.
Damage likely to mobile homes.
Anyways, it's still, like, insanely quiet, though.
Locations impacted include New Brunswick,
They went. Beep beep. WKBP. Man time.
Bridge, New Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Fairfield, North Brunswick,
They went.
Madison,
I don't know if they go for this.
Bound Brook, Danville,
Chris-
Kingsburg.
They
For
don't.
your protection, move to an
Let's see if,
exterior room on the lowest
I
floor
don't
of
think
the
they do,
building.
because it's not for
Repeating,
Philadelphia.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been
County.
issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, and Somerset.
They're not. Okay. More. Oh, it says. I don't like you, LWX. This is why I don't like you, LWX.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey
Oh.
has issued a special
Sorry,
warning
LWX,
for
you're a good person.
Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Great Big Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen.
I'm
Delaware,
surprised you guys
are
even
40
issued
nautical miles until 7 p.m.
Bro, people at the National Weather Service are just in Mount Holly are just hitting issue on everything. This is fun.
Beach to near Choptank River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Oh yeah, well.
Source: radar. Impact.
Oh, I'm not
Small
gonna say
craft could be
anything 'cause
damaged and
I'm gonna
briefly
leak a
higher
video
winds
on
and
my-
suddenly higher waves.
You guys already know.
Locations
No, that I'm gonna be
impacted
releasing a
include
video
Brown
now
Hill Light,
that you guys don't know
14-foot
about.
bag
I'm not
light,
telling you what it is.
Slaughter Beach,
It's
Cape
not the
Henlopen,
WNYTQIP
Bowers
like
Beach, Woodland Beach,
stuff.
Cape
It's not
May
that.
Park, Miami
It's not
Light,
related. It's
Shipyard Shoal Light, Brandywine
from,
Shoal
like,
Light, Wildwood,
just
Overfalls
under a
Shoal,
month ago.
Grotesque Beach, Sea Breeze, and Cross Ledge
a
Light.
video. Oh, you have
Move
to edit
Safe
it
Harbor
still.
immediately
I've
as
edited it a
gusty
lot,
winds
but
and
it's
high
still like
waves are expected.
long, and I know no one's gonna watch it because of that. More. Just more EAS.
I don't even know what number I'm on anymore. Even if I were counting, which I'm not, I don't know which one I would be on.
Northern Atlantic, Central Ocean County, West Central Ocean County, and Southern New Jersey.
What are we doing?
Philadelphia County in
Southwestern
southeastern
Philadelphia
Pennsylvania,
County, and
central
South
Delaware County, and southeastern
I think I felt thunder. Cause nah.
A severe thunderstorm.
Well, I mean it's severe thunderstorm warning.
Moving east at 30 miles.
So that's
Moving east at
fun.
30 miles per hour.
I think it's during it. I think Philly. I wasn't listening. I was yapping.
Damage to roof, siding, trees,
Maybe.
power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester,
Doesn't sound like it.
Cherry Hill, Mount Laurel, Bedford, Thornhill, Medford, Lindenwood, Glassboro, Lindenwood, Hamilton, Lumberton, Belmore, Woodbury, Mount Holly.
They're going. Okay, WYPA's going.
Interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Of course they're going. McDonald.
Will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover.
Oh. I'm pretty sure this is a really old alert. They're backed up. I don't know which one it is. I'm just not counting them. I'm not actually going to tune to them because they're heavily delayed and I don't know what alert that was for.
Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or
More.
in southern New Jersey, south central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clarksburg, 17 miles northwest of Tom's River, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
That'd be WXM 60.
60 miles per hour.
The KWON.
Radar indicated
WXM
impact,
60.
damage to roofs, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Marlboro,
It's literally an alert.
Mountain Falls, Holdall, Princeton, Red Bank, McClellan, Jamesburg, Swan, Hightstown, and Point Pleasant Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Ocean, and Somerset.
Actually, no, I think KHB would go off too. Okay, they went for that. Nope.
Locations impacted include
They went. And they went.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system.
Oh, there we go.